Climb inside the 2020 Honda HR-V. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.